So I'm going to start with site speed. So unfortunately, there's nothing sexy to show here. There's no kind of before and after case studies, cool images, because it's technical, right? But speed impacts every step of the funnel. Of course, we know how important mobile is and how slow experience will damage your mobile results. And yeah, faster stores basically convert more traffic. And it is a fact. It is a fact, particularly when you do large volume. I'm not going to spend masses of time talking about this because, again, this is all about unique situations within your store. You need to lift the bonnet, lift the hood, look under the engine, but optimizing your LCP elements. So things like I put here, large image blocks, compressing assets, preloading some key elements, remove blocking and render. So really optimizing your code and your loads for a kind of more seamless experience when someone lands on your page. It's hard to do because so many people rely on third-party apps, but I 100% would look into removing as many as possible, building as much as you can natively. And that's, again, typically what we'll do. We'll kind of look at those fast loading, those bloated apps that really slow down your performance on your store, and we'll just build them internally. We'll just build them. None of these apps are too complicated to build onto your store. Improving mobile stability kind of feeds into the LCP, but just making sure that mobile is fully optimized, and then refactoring your code. And this is one that not many people do. As I say, we don't force brands to do it, but because it's not a sexy thing. But we always see a benefit from doing it. So when we work with large brands, we will look into their code. It normally takes a week to 2 weeks to do a full kind of code audit on the Shopify store of a certain size. But then we can utilize AI and we can speed up the process to refactor that and clean up the code. It will have an initial positive effect on your load speed, etc., and your results. But it's more the long-term benefits of doing this now that we see in our brands. Because if we're constantly testing, let's say we're A/B testing above the fold on a product page, and we then want to implement that, well, it's going to make it so much quicker to implement so that the brand sees the uplift of the winning test because we've refactored and cleaned up the code. Whereas if we didn't do that, we're dealing with messy code, third-party apps, someone else's development work. So this is something that we do, and we don't say it's mandatory, but we think it's very important for larger brands as well.